In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to browse the classification headings in FirstPoint and also show you how to combine browsing with searching within the classification headings. From the Westlaw AU homepage, make sure you're in FirstPoint. Click on Cases, Product Title, and then FirstPoint. Now click on the link to Classification. The classification headings are displayed. Now I need to start drilling down through the hierarchical structure of the headings to find cases on my topic. Let's say that I want to find cases in which contributory negligence due to failure to wear a seatbelt is the issue. Thinking broadly first, I know that negligence is a tort, so that's where I'll commence. Click on the plus sign next to the headings to keep expanding them. So click on the plus sign next to torts, the plus sign next to negligence, and so on. At some point it might get a little bit trickier to identify where to go next. I'm going to take a guess though and continue to expand by clicking on the plus sign next to particular cases. Road accident cases looks likely to be relevant, so you can see that there are no more expansions that I can do, so I'm just going to click on the title. Now the screen on the right displays the number of cases classified under this heading. Note that on this particular day I've found this many cases, but going into the future that will change if more cases classified under this heading are added to the database. But at this point I'm going to start combining keyword searching with browsing because I don't feel like I could have gotten any further just using the subject headings. So I start to enter in terms into the search box. As I explained in the previous video, you need to know what the search software wants of you in terms of keyword search formulation, and you can find that information in the help documentation under search term connectors assistance. So I've just typed in the compounded word seatbelt. Now it's going to search within my results, obviously reducing the number of results to cases that are relevant. Again, you can see that my search term is highlighted in yellow, and I can start to assess the relevance of the results that I have found. And this is where you can see the usefulness of the classification headings. Each bullet point represents a different cause of action or different area of law. And at this point, I can click on any one of these headings to see cases classified under this particular heading. Note that I could filter my results to jurisdiction or court, and that I can also take options to sort my results in a particular way. So note that within the bulleted breadcrumb trails of classification headings, there's a hierarchy of heading that goes from broadest to narrowest. These show the relevant points of law in a case. You can click on any of these to display all the cases classified under the same two headings. Click on any of these to view relevant cases.